This video is related to backup and restore website. So there are three parts. First part is backup, second part is restore, and third part is migration. So first of all, I have two different domain. You see, .art and .info, and each directory demo. For example, .art.demo. You see, .art, and then at the back nothing. .demo, and also you see .info and .demo. So this is related to migration, yeah. Okay, now first of all you have to go to here, place your cursor over here, and then plug in, add new, and then we have to find all-in-one migration. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, find this, and then you have to check whether it is compatible with your WordPress version, and if it is, then just click on install now. Just wait for a while. Okay, you can click on activate. Okay, and then I can go to here, place cursor over here, then you can see backup. Click on it. Actually, you can click on export. It also another way to generate backup. So I can create backup. Just wait for a while. Okay, maybe I close first. You see 2 seconds ago, and the website is look like this. Okay, this is empty website and it is look like this. Okay, so maybe you will ask how to, after we gone through restore generate backup, right? So you can download it. If you click on this three dot here, you will see download, restore, and then next move to second part, restore. Okay, restore cannot, because why? This is a pet version function, but it stated that you can download the backup and then use import from file. Okay, so we click on this export, then click on export to, and then file. Okay, you click on, okay, just wait for a while. Okay, I'll download this, close. So actually, if you don't believe this is the export function is another backup, just look at here, backup. Do you see? Both are the same. Yeah, just the name different. Okay, now let's say I change the website a little bit. Currently it's look like this, right? So now I go to here, click on theme, I click on add new, I change to another theme. Okay, I select this one, yeah, Astra. So we generate another backup. So okay, because currently we already generate a backup for the initial design like this. Now we are going to change the website design using different theme. So I click on publish so that my website will look like this. Okay, just wait for a while. I'll click on go back. Okay, now let's visit the website. See? Okay, the website is changed. Okay, what I have to do is I go to export, and again I'll click on export to file. Generate a backup for this layout. Okay. Okay, whenever you want to migrate, before you migrate or what, you have to check whether it is function well or not. Okay, for example, like this. For some, they have for some other website, when you click over here, it might go to another tab, open in new tab. But this one is default version. It look like this. So just check it. Okay, I'll download this. Okay, I'll close. Okay, now let's go to import, because currently the website look like this, right? I want to restore back. Okay, the first one. Remember, the first one we generated for the initial look like this. Okay, now we have a issue. Your file exceed the maximum upload size. Okay, in this case, don't get unlimited, yeah? What you have to do is you go to your cPanel interface. Okay, cPanel interface like this. You press your cursor here, then you can go to your cPanel interface. So then you scroll down to find something like this. Select PHP version. Click on it. Then you see this, right? Click on this option. You scroll down. Just now is this. It say 2 MB, right? So I will change it to 1 GB. So we have to close this. If this finish, right? Finish, success. We have to close this and refresh again. Now we import from the backup. This one, the original file. Okay, cannot. Let's check what happened. Oh, here from the post maximum size is 8. Now I also change it to 1 GB. Then I have to close this and refresh because success already. And I have to import file, the original backup. Let's see what happened. Don't click on stop, yeah? Just wait. For this free version, it best for the website file below 500 MB. 500 MB is the maximum. Don't exceed. Otherwise, we will not know what will happen. Okay. So from here, finish. Then I click on proceed. Remember, yeah, 100 MB. Okay. Suppose that we cannot upload. How? In this case, you try this also fail. What you have to do is you have to find your hosting provider. Okay, now let's visit website, see what happened. See, previously it's like this. Now it we restore to the original one. Okay, so whenever you want to design a website or what, you have to create an initial backup either from export. Yeah, you click on export, something like this. Then or you go to backup. You go to backup, create backup, and then from here you can download, then install, import again. Okay. You can also delete it. Okay. Now we go to another issue. This one, migration. Just now we already generate, download, and then we already restore. This one cannot because pet version function. So upload backup. We already done this. So now migration. Okay, for migration, I will do different part. Okay, how? Do you see this .art and then WP admin? Now I want to migrate to demo. If you look at the website, you see .art.demo. So it is different from here. Okay, .art. This is the first one, yeah. And then the second one I want to do is I want to migrate to different website. If you look at here, tutorial.info. If you look at here, tutorial.art is completely different. So next, we have to migrate to same domain but different subdirectory. So what I have to do is I click on this, I click on add new. Same thing, you have to install the same plugin, all-in-one migration. Okay, I will click on install now. Just wait for a while, just like previous one. Okay, click on activate. Okay, now we go to here, we want to generate a backup for this. Yeah, just generate. Okay, I'll close this. Initially the website looked like this. Yeah, you check it. .art demo. Okay, look like this. Okay, now what I have to do is I want to import from here. Just now this is the default for, just now it is default for this, right? Default for this .art. Now I want to import this one, the Astra version. Do you remember the Astra, the purple color theme? So have to wait. If your size is very big, the website file, but less than 500 MB, it will take longer. And this is normal, you have to wait. And also it depends on your internet speed also, and as well as the server. If the speed is slow, the hosting also slow, then it will take longer. But if the size is not big, but it takes maybe half an hour or what, you better stop it and then try it again. If fail, you have to find the hosting provider, check what is the issue. So I click on proceed. Yeah. Okay, finish. Now let's check how the website looks like. You see, I already migrate. This one, I didn't install the theme. The only theme I installed is from here, right? So from here, the original website. Okay, now you have to check, yeah, see whether it is okay or not. If it is not okay, you have to do it again. Yeah. Remember, whenever you perform any backup or what, you have to check it again for every section. If there is a button there, you have to click it. Okay. Now, let's click on this. Okay. Whenever you migrate or what, you have to know the first, this one, the website you migrate to another website, different domain name or what, you have to know their access, because this one is the memory of this. You migrate to here, you also need to know. Let's check. It asks you to log in or not. You see? It asks for the login. So what I have to do is I click on this login. If it fail, okay, successful. If it fail, what you have to do is you from here you have to find, this one is demo, right? You have to find demo .art.demo. You have to click this one, login from the cPanel. Okay. If you fail, meaning that you maybe migrate the website from somewhere else, from the web designer, you migrate to your company and then fail, meaning that they might impose or use very strong security plugin or what. in this case, you have to find the hosting provider to check with them. Okay, so from here, we successfully migrate the website to the same domain name .art but different subdirectory. You see, from here .art but this one .demo got demo. Okay, now we go to here to migrate to different .info. Yeah, .info. So same thing, you go to here, add new, same plugin, all in one migration. Okay, same plugin, same thing. Have to check the WordPress version because some of you might have different WordPress but different how to say, different version. Okay, this is very important. Okay, take note. Okay, I will activate it. So you see it pop up at here. Okay, now I will generate a backup, but before that we look at the website first. Look like this. You see .info. So I will scroll down. I go to backup. I create a restore point for this. Okay, I close first because I already have later on if I want to use the original version, I can download and upload. Okay. Okay, now I want to import the Astra theme. Yes, you see Astra theme. Let's see whether can migrate like this or not. So just wait for a while. Okay, I proceed, override it, but make sure that every time you override it, you need to have a backup. Okay? Remember, whenever you want to do anything, please prepare a backup first. Yeah, before you do anything, so that if anything you regret, you can restore. I click on finish. Let's check the website now. This is the original. You see? Okay, every time finish, you have to click on each button to check whether it is working or not. Okay, if it is not working, you can try it one more time. If it is not working again, check with the hosting provider. They will check it. If this issue is related to plugin, you have to check with the plugin provider. Okay, if this issue is related to the hosting, they will adjust something. So same thing, you have once you migrate the website, you have to click something at here, and then it will ask you to log in, the access to login. Please don't forget the access, yeah, the access of this backup. But maybe you'll be asking, what if is it I have to log in like this every time? Need not. Okay, need not. If it has happened, you log into your cPanel, you just log in from here. Yeah, just log in from here. Same thing. Okay, if the website you migrate has a very strong security or plugin that prevent you from logging like this, you have to find the hosting provider. Ask for help. Okay, so to sum up, in this video I show you how to backup and restore using all-in-one migration WordPress plugin. So from here we perform the backup, restore, and also migration. This plugin can help in migration, but please remember below 500 MB. But if more than 500 MB, don't use that. Maybe you use the premium version or what. And that's all from me. Thank you.